In comments, the Honourable Chief Government Whip.
Where does this member get off thinking that he knows the first thing about me, Mr. Speaker? How does he believe to know what church I was baptized in, what church I visit every Sunday morning, what church my wife and I got married in, what the faith is that my wife and I both practice? This member has no clue, yet he stands up in this House and decides to preach to us about who we are when he has absolutely no clue. Is it even possible in this member's mind, Mr. Speaker, that perhaps I do and I am deeply faithful to my own religion? I just don't see the need to show that in this House of Commons to everybody else.
The member for Bowmanville, Oshawa North.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I don't pretend to know anything about the member from Kingston other than what he shows me when I show up to work. And what I see when I show up to work is a man with no respect for Christians, Muslims, and Jews in this country, and a man who supports efforts by the Liberal Party to colonize and imperialize people.
Order. I believe we have a point of order from the member from Winnipeg North.
First of all, Mr. Speaker, I know the member from Kingston is a Christian himself. And to make the type of allegation that the member just made, I believe he owes...
Order. I'll ask the member from Bowmanville or Oshawa North to please quiet down. The member from Winnipeg North, he could quickly get to the point of his...
Mr. Speaker, I know the government House Whip as a Christian. And it is distasteful for the member to say what he just put on the record, and we would ask that he withdraw the comments and apologize.
And resign.
Then you should leave the chamber.
Yeah.
Order. I can stand here all day. Order. I will stand here all day until the House comes back to order. Okay. I will review what was said on the tapes. I will take a look at the blues and I will take a look at the and come back to the House if necessary. Order. The honourable member for the Chief Government Whip on order. I will invite the member to please not take the floor when he hasn't been recognized by the chair. The honourable Chief Government Whip.
Notwithstanding what was said about me, because I will leave it to the member to do the respectful thing and apologize to me, but the member just yelled out to you that you are participating in Liberal censorship, Mr. Speaker. Yeah. He owes an apology to this House and to you personally and to the seat that you occupy.
Yeah.
Here.
Order. I didn't hear that comment, but I do appreciate, and I... Order.
The honourable member for Drummond, I believe, on the point of order. Mr. Speaker, we've talked a lot about decorum in this House. How many warnings, how many times do you have to yell order before you act? Because it's becoming embarrassing, this situation. Mr. Speaker, please do bring some order and apply your authority in this House. Thank you. I appreciate the comments from the honourable member.
We are on questions and comments. Question et commentaire, and I'm hoping that we can get through these next 3.5 minutes without further interruptions and interjections. I'll just ask all members to please have some respect. This is a place of debate. This is a place where we should have vigorous debates. But when those comments go beyond the debate and go into the questioning of the motivations or the character of individual members, and that's where things go too far. So I'm going to ask members to have some respect for the offices that we hold on behalf of the Canadians who send us here from coast to coast to coast. Questions and comments. Question et commentaire.